Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Exchange Easy Guide. Start by creating an account, completing identity verification, and enabling 2FA for security. Fund your account using fiat or crypto, then explore basic trading pairs and charts. Learn to place market and limit orders, set stop losses, and monitor fees. Keep keys secure, use small test trades, and consult Binance help if you encounter issues for beginners. Let's walk through deposits, withdrawals, and wallet basics so you can move funds confidently. Choose a network matching your token, confirm network fees, and send a small test amount first. For fiat deposits, use bank transfer or card options and verify limits. For withdrawals, double-check the receiving address and memo tags when required. Track transactions on the Blockchain Explorer and contact support if funds are delayed and keep records for taxes. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. I'm also using a helpful read that changed my view on money. Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth. Check the description for the link and other deals, use it for mindset while learning trading, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll cover basic trading strategies, order types, and risk management to help you trade smarter. Understand market, limit, and stop limit orders and when to use each. Study charts, set clear entry and exit plans, and start with small position sizes. Use stop losses, diversify across pairs, and avoid emotional trading after big wins or losses. Review fees and withdrawal limits before making larger trades and practice with the testnet or sandbox environment regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.